And next, we're going to take a look at how to add new content to your website. So the first thing we want to do is add a completely new section. And to do that, we're going to come over here to the tools and click on Add Section. Then first, we want to scroll to the part we want to add this new section. And I'm going to scroll all the way down because I want to add it right here below the Reserve a Table section. Then here on the left side, we can see all kinds of different templates that we can add to our page. If you don't want to use a template, you can click on Blank Section and then you can start from scratch. However, I want to use one of these templates to save me some time. I want to add a Team section to the homepage, so I'm going to go to Team and then look at these templates. I like this one here at the top, so I'm going to click on it. And now it will automatically be added to my homepage. And I can edit any of these elements in this section the same way as we've done before. Now, let's say I want to add a new element to this section. To do that, I have to come over here and click on the plus icon where it says Add Elements. Then here I can see all kinds of different elements I can add to my page. Let's say I want to add a button below these images here. So I would have to go to Button, and then I want to use these themed buttons here because I already have the design of this theme. So I'm going to use this button right here, and this will put it onto my page. Now I want to place it below this area. So first I have to make some space inside of this section. So I'm going to have to increase the section height by dragging the border here to the bottom like this. And now I have some space for this new button. So I can just click, hold, and drag it to the correct position. And now to edit it, let's click on Settings. Then we're going to change the text. And then also make sure to add a link. And I'm going to link this button to the Our Story page and click Done. And whenever adding something new to the page, I always like to zoom out by clicking on this button here at the top to see what this new section looks like on our page. Now, I think it looks quite good and it fits nicely into the rest of the design. The only thing I would want to change is the style of this button. So to do that, I'm going to go back to the initial view here, then click on the button, then go to Design. And then here I can change the design of this button, and I'm going to choose this one right here. I think that one looks better. So let's zoom out again and see what it looks like now. And I like this a lot better.